Hey, salut et bienvenue dans French with Karine. Today, 6 different ways to say thank you in French. Saying thank you is important. In French, we have several ways to say thank you. Would you like to discover them? So, merci. But why do I say thank you? Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Oh, it's not done yet? So, go ahead. I'll wait. Thank you. Merci. Okay, I'm going to stop there and show you the different expressions to thank someone in French. We have the classic one, merci. The most common way to say thank you in French is the simply merci. It's a simple but effective expression to express your gratitude in different situations. And you can add the reason why you are grateful. Merci pour votre aide. Merci pour votre aide. Merci pour le cadeau. Merci pour le cadeau. Merci pour cette gentille attention. Merci pour cette gentille attention. Zen. Je vous remercie. It's another formal way to say merci. Je vous remercie. It's often used in professional situations and or when you want to be more polite. Je vous remercie de m'avoir aidé. Je vous remercie de m'avoir aidé. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. If you want to express stronger or more sincere gratitude, you can say merci beaucoup. This shows that you truly appreciate the person's help or gesture. Merci bien. Merci bien is a slightly more informal expression than merci beaucoup. This shows that you appreciate the person's help in a casual way. Grand merci. Grand merci. If you want to express even more gratitude, you can say grand merci. Grand. Be careful to you. Grand. Grand. And you can see this is a silent D at the end. This shows that you are truly grateful for what the person did for you. Un grand merci pour votre aide. C'est très gentil à vous. C'est très gentil à toi. C'est très gentil à vous. It's a formal way with vous. And c'est très gentil à toi. This is an informal way with toi. When someone does something nice for you, you can express your gratitude by saying c'est très gentil à vous or c'est très gentil à toi. This shows appreciation for their kindness. Et voilà, now you can express your grateful in French. So now I can say je vous remercie beaucoup pour avoir suivi cette vidéo. Follow me and discover more about the French language. À bientôt!